Welcome to part 3, the final part in our 3-part series of building a real-time and reactive chat application using Svelte, Node.js, Express, and Couchbase to manage the data. Now, why are we using Svelte? Very quickly, well, Svelte has amazing real-time reactivity that tracks state changes in the DOM for you. And its component-based architecture, well, it just makes building so much fun. So now that we mentioned why we like Svelte, let's actually do it. Well, you're going to follow the tutorial in the link below or in the GitHub repo, also in the link below, and grab the code to add to your front end. We're going to be using Svelte as the front end along with Tailwind CSS for the styling. So go grab that code. Here's a quick example of what that code looks like right there. That's an example of Svelte code. Grab that code, add it to your app, and get building. If you have any other further questions or you're stuck along the way, that tutorial in the link below carries all the details you need to build your first Svelte real-time and reactive chat application. Have fun and keep on building.